Pipes, stock exhaust,
yeah,
open flaps, and everything else is good to go. Let's hear it, DB. Oh yeah. Woo! Sounds good. One more. Very nice. And then we have Hutch's car. Pretty much same setup, stock engine.
Yep.
Hit it up. Some wheels, a lot of stickers because I'm a poser.
What's the exhaust system and downpipe you're running?
I'm running the Active Autowerk. You can see the logos here. Active Autowerk Downpipes. Their single 3.5-inch mid pipe and their rear exhaust system. Hope you guys enjoy. Let us know if you have any questions.